Number 225, Mr. Bunag's collection totaled 23,680 pesos. If he averaged 1,480 pesos per day, in how many days did he amass his given collection? So post the video and try to answer. So the choices are 16, 18, 14, 12, and 20. So this problem is all about average. Okay, so average. So what is the formula for average? The formula for average is x bar. So this is the symbol for average equals summation of x over n. Summation of x, this is the total, and n is the number. Okay, so the number of days. Okay, so the given here is for R, Mr. Bunag's collection total 23,680. So that is the summation of x. If we average 1,480 per day, so 1,480 per day, that is the X bar. Okay, so 1,480 per day, so that is the X bar. And then 23,680, that is the summation of X. So we can solve for N, that is the how many days did he amass his given collection. So we're looking for the value of N. Okay, so let's substitute the given. So we have X bar is 1,480 equals 23,680 divided by n. So to solve for n, we can simply interchange this. Okay, we can put n to 1,480 and 1,480 to the denominator. Or we can multiply both sides. We can multiply both sides of the equation by n. Okay, multiply both sides of the equation by n. So we can cancel this. So we have 1,480 times n is equal to 23,680. And then to solve for n, just divide 1,480, divide both sides by 1,480. Or just the shortcut, just interchange n and then 1,480. Okay, so we can divide this by long division. So calculators are not allowed in civil service exam. So just divide manually. So when dividing, so just look on the choices. So we have 16, 18, 14, 12. So this must be 1. Okay? So 2,368 divided by 1,480. So that is 1. We'll multiply. So we have 1,480 and then we subtract 8 minus 0. We have 8. 6. So this will become 16 and then 3 will become 2. And then 2 minus 4 cannot be. So borrow 1. So we have 12 and then this will become 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 12 minus 4, we have 8. 16 minus 8, we have another 8 and then bring down 0. Okay, so let's divide this 8,880 divided by 1,480. So that is equal to 6. Then multiply 6 times 0, we have 0. 6 times 8, we have 48. 6 times 4, that is 24 plus 4. So we have 28. And then 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2, we have 8. Okay, so exactly the same with this. So when we subtract this, the answer is 0. So therefore, the value of n is 16 days. The correct answer is letter A. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa. I-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto. 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.